Hi, so for this tutorial, you will learn how to work on Google Sheets in your mobile phones or mobile devices. Okay, so let's say you have an existing file, you can just look for it from the Google Sheets in your school account and then open it. Okay, so this is the first thing that I've asked you to do. I required you to insert information, okay, and some editing of fonts if you need to apply some styles. So here is okay, the name of the sheets that you have or the spreadsheets that you have. You have here the option to share, okay, and here is where you will add another spreadsheet. Okay, so this one will be renamed as recipe. Okay, so for you to remove some columns, you have to select from there, okay, and then just move. Okay, that one will adjust it, and okay, hold. Okay, that's how you resize it. So you can just, okay, you have the option to freeze, to delete. Okay, this one will be deleted. Okay, hold, click hold on the column. Okay, delete up to reach until you reach the column J. So that part is optional for those who are using a mobile device, because it will require you, okay, much effort and time, because you have to do it manually. Okay, so you basically, right now you can't see it yet, but I don't have the column Z already. I only have O, M, N till I get J only. Okay, so you have to delete those columns, and same thing with the rows, you have to select, okay, and then delete. Okay, so you can just try that. But for those who are using mobile device, it's okay. It will be acceptable if you will not be able to delete everything that are extra. So here you have to resize. First, you have to click the column head here. So you have to resize this, resize column, and make it 200. Okay, so I also mentioned that you have to merge. So you have to, okay, select, select up to F, okay, and merge. So click merge. So that will be the merging option. You have to select the cell and then merge. Okay, so if you need to wrap it or like move it, you also have an option to just move it down. Okay, so that's the basic of formatting in Google Sheets or spreadsheet program in your phone or iPad. So I hope this will help you in editing and working on your output for today. Okay, so this is the formula bar, and that is where you will see the input that you have in that cell. Okay, and then the name of your recipe here, chosen recipe. please follow instructions in the Google Classroom. Okay, so thank you and bless.